anymore.
Talk about, do you ever think of me? He just driving.
We just foggy. Yeah, as long as you ain't driving 100 miles, bro, you be good.
So no, him want to die.
I'm doing that dash one time. No, fuck that.
I mean, everybody can do it one time.
Kill like on the beltway.
But you make it sound like you.
You know what I'm saying? Beltway, that left lane.
Yeah, you gone for out.
You know what I'm saying? Probably fuck around, hit 100.
At the right time, though.
Yeah.
Like in the morning. Or night.
We just gotta be smart out here.
We might go to New York when I get that joint.
Bro, like, y'all trying to go to New York in like June with me, bro? Come on, bro.
Nah, bro, we gonna go next month.
Nah, bro, come in June with me.
We gonna go next month, nigga.
Huh?
We going next month.
Hey, fuck it, I go, man.
Yeah. You ready to get it?
Why we gotta go next
I'm
month?
gonna drive over there.
It's gonna be rainy as fuck next month.
I don't care, bro.
June will be
Like, I worked hard for this shit. I deserve this whip, nigga.
Let's
And
go
you,
in June.
The first thing you gonna do is take it to New York.
Take it to New York, nigga.
That's not smart.
Break that bitch in.
Nah, that motherfucker gonna break down in Jersey, nigga.
And if it don't break down, you gonna get in an accident, and then there you go.
You gotta break that back in.
In fact, somebody gonna take that nigga car.
And then you gonna drive to a place where traffic is bad as a motherfucker.
Bad as a motherfucker.
Oh,
dumb
I
ass
don't know.
nigga.
Look, bro,
hey, we gonna be arguing like shit on the.
Sometimes the shit you be trying, it's like the shit you think out, don't be well thought out. You know what I mean?
Ooh.
It's like you thought about that shit, but it's like you ain't think too hard.
I don't be giving a fuck sometimes.
I mean, with shit important like that, you got to though.
Nigga, y'all act like we not about to die.
Oh, shit.
Like, what the
Nigga.
fuck?
Oh,
Y'all niggas act like the shit that's in this world really means something. Get the fuck out of here, nigga. Yeah, we need it. Yeah, we want it. But once we got it, nigga, do whatever the fuck you want.
But you making Will seem like
Fuck
a big
outta here.
accomplishment. Will's not even that big of an accomplishment to do.
It is, bro.
It's not.
Because most people go their whole 20s without wheels. Most people go their whole 20s half they
Because you don't really need the shit.
Come on, bro. Stop, bro.
If you got a motherfucking transportation system, you don't need that shit.
Then you were the just one that told me, oh, what if you get a baseball move far as fuck? How you gonna get there?
I told you that because you
All
wanted
right.
you wanted to pay $1,000 for a machine.
3.
And that's stupid.
3. 33.
You said you'll get a machine or a
33.
car. I said I'd rather get a car.
So it's important.
Why would you bust your ass or something that you go jeopardize that joint? You know what I mean?
Nigga, you could spend 6 and get millions. It's called investing, sir.
I don't know nobody with millions, so I'm talking wrong guy.
You can spend 6 bands and make millions, nigga. And we ain't talking no
million.
We ain't talking no I could take 300, make it to 3,000. We ain't talking that. We talking hustle. Bust your ass, muscle. Big muscle, little dick. Big muscle, little dick.
What?
Look and watch the sunset.
Nigga touch my radio. I didn't think I wanted out.
Who this Kev on the legs? You damn skippy, baby. Hey, you on camera, you better watch what you say, shawty. Yeah.
damn, girl.
Cause my boy out here doing this thing.
I'm trying to fuck your friend.
Hey,
I'm
chill.
trying to fuck your friend. How you doing today?
Why does nigga sing
What's
like
good, man? Hey, let me get them headphones, guys.
What headphone?
Them iPhone joints.
They in the crib, fool.
Alright, fuck with me.
I think.
Fuck with me.
What you mean, fuck?
Hey, Tay. What's good with you? What's up with that, yeah? The glizzy you eating. Yeah. You said you eating a glizzy.
What you think about Shaw?
How the fuck are ugly in a dog? This nigga be trying to make me the bed full of
Alright.
nigga be trying to make. I'm ugly in the sunlight, the dark. God damn.
Taking that shit to a whole nother level, baby.
Not with her.
Everybody subscribe to this nigga shit, man. We taking this shit to a whole nother level, man. I'm out.
Who the fuck is these niggas? I don't fuck with these niggas. I don't give, I don't forget. Once you take, don't ask for shit. My high cold as it can get. And I don't wait for shit except death, so I'm living. Rather be the double homie, call that escape prison. Niggas talking, don't listen. No talking, don't trust them. Who the fuck is these niggas? I don't fuck with these niggas. All black jewels beaming like I signed with Death Row. Smoking heavy petrol. Bitches naked, no flex. Just go, no go. Curse them out, put them out. That's me, put it out. Matter of fact, move around. City feeling like the circus full of all these damn clowns. Who the fuck is these niggas? I don't fuck with these niggas. Real shit came from us, and the hitters is my homies. I'm a god on earth, real niggas since birth. I don't know them niggas new, unreal niggas fool. Folks, if they ain't came with you, who the fuck is these niggas? I don't fuck with these niggas. I don't smoke with these niggas. I don't eat with these niggas. I ain't starve with these niggas. I ain't ride with these niggas. I ain't shoot with these niggas. I ain't grind with these niggas. I ain't shine with these niggas. I don't go up with these niggas. Who the fuck is these niggas? I don't fuck with these niggas. Man, these niggas bitch, they fuck them far as I can throw them. Niggas hating, I just tell them that they should be careful, cause hate ain't healthy and bullets ain't comfortable. Heaven ain't promised, I don't know them to be honest. Who the fuck is these niggas? I don't fuck with, go to the face. Real shit I embrace.
Yeah, it's my $5,000 cash real swell.
We go to magic and we changing the weather. See with the chopper I got on my belt. I'm cool biggin' when you see us together. I'm still spinning this deserve forever. I went to Mexico and fucked up some change. That shit ain't done to me, I fucked up the game. They got my fingerprints, there's no one to blame. My friend depend on me, I'm slanging cocaine. Tipping that main train jet, I work is up every young.
Damn. Hey, that nigga. New Future or Old Future? Which one, fella?
I don't know. That's a hard decision.
What?
That's a hard decision, bro.
Ain't no hard decision, boy.
It is, bro.
Old Future.
New Future.
Damn.
Boy, that Pico, go to beast mode. Go to beast mode. You can't even get beast mode on Spin Rolling no more.
You know you can't skip this though. Hey, Mono.
Lost in turn. Lost in turn. Lost in turn.
Yeah.
Lost in
Cake, I'm never at home, I'm in and out of state. Arguing on the phone, telling room service bring me a plate. I'm rolling the joint, I'm gonna be kinda late. Real
That nigga had that motherfucker. Like he wouldn't stop.
Man, I got good semen. Just talk to Wayne and there ain't no ceiling. Just kill a nigga, yeah, the nigga ain't tripping. First 48, all you niggas be snitching. Always got the Glock in the clip with extension. King East dog, double cup with the pimpin'. When I was a baby, I was born on a mission. We the bad boys like the Detroit Pistons. We beating up Jordan and we follow Scottie Pippen.